Welcome to the Natural Wig Store channel. This is Brandis from Tech and Design, and I'm here to show you how to check out for the end of the year holiday sale. The first thing you're going to want to do is choose a wig of choice. I'm going to choose directly from the catalog. I like curly, so let's do it. You'll notice that the $35 discount does not actually apply on Indian Remy from length 10 to 14. But the discount applies on Indian Remy 16 inches and above and all of Brazilian lengths. You'll probably see our chat helpers reminding you of the buy now, pay later payment options at checkout, so we'll explore that. But first, be sure to choose the additional options like cap size, cap type, density, color of hair, and if you want a part or not. Also, pay attention to the description. It'll give you more information about what already comes with the wig, as well as what is pictured, so you have a better idea about what you're buying. Now let's add to cart and see what you can do there. Here, you can actually edit your options if you've changed your mind. You can also use this space to communicate any special instructions needed for your purchase. Now back to the Buy Now, Pay Later payment option. You can click the information icon to read all the information about one of our payment partners, Sezzle. In order to apply for 4 easy, no-interest payments, we'll need to proceed to checkout. Input all of your contact and shipping information on this next page. You'll see that this purchase qualifies for the free shipping offer as well. Now, you can continue to payment. Once you do, you'll see a multitude of payment options. You can pay by credit card or PayPal, or choose Sezzle or Klarna. Choosing any alternate payment option will redirect you to the third party. Don't worry, you'll be redirected back, where you can save your information and complete your order. And that's it. If you have any questions, please visit our website or come on in to the Natural Wig Store today.